So maglalakad kami ngayon papunta ng post office. Ayan. Lapit lang. Papadala namin to. Yung kapalit nung isang Foxtel box. Ayan. Walking distance lang sa amin yung post office. Ayan. Yeah, I think it's holiday because it's Tuesday today. So maybe they don't have school.
In Hale was here yesterday too. So
Yeah.
I'll carry that. So.
Yan. So soli namin yun. Lapit lang. Baba lang. Diba? Kahit na hindi ka na gamit ng kahit na hindi ka nagagamit ng kotse para exercise. Minsan pag hapon, dito ako naglalakad. O kaya umaga. Diyan ang playground. Diyan naman ang school ng primary school. Yan. Basketball court.
All ready for Ivory.
What? This one?
All ready for Ivory.
Yeah. Yung apo ko daw. Pupunta na dito. Oh, what's that? Oh. Ito yung waiting ng parang waiting shed nila. Bus stop. Yan. Pag upo ka dyan, pag may dadaan na bus, pwede kang sumakay. Yan. Okay, lapit na kami.